Today I want to share with you two great portable mats that you can use in your quilt room or when you go places and sew. I have two to show you, one that I made myself and then one that I purchased. I want to start first with the one that I purchased. This is an Omni Grid Foldaway portable cutting and ironing mat. Now, if you've been watching my channel, you've seen this a lot because I use this a lot. And when I go to quilt retreats, I use this a lot. Did you notice my shirt? This is what I hope to be doing a lot of this weekend. Eat, sleep, quilt, and repeat. I'm going to another quilt retreat this weekend. I'm so excited. And this is what I plan to do. And I plan to take this. So as I was saying, I use this a lot. You can see how much I use it if you look close. Lots of cuts. I've got stuff on my mat. But anyway, this is 12 by 18. It's portable. You can cut on one side, press on the other. It folds up. Has a little Velcro thing. It's easy to carry and it's easy to take with you. And then I just put it in one of my toolboxes underneath things to store it. I love this. I love this one. Now, I don't really take this in the camper when we go camping, but I do take it to quilt retreats and I use it a lot in my sewing room. I'll put a link in the description below if you're interested in purchasing one of these. I ordered mine from Amazon several years ago, but I use it all the time. The next one I want to show you is one that I made. I had a friend give me one years and years ago and I loved it, and I made several. I do have a video out on how to make these. Now, these mats you can also purchase from Amazon, and I'll put a link in the description below for this one. Now, I take this one with me to quilt retreats and when we go camping. In fact, I have to have this when we go camping. I just love it, and I use it a ton here in my quilt room. You can see all the marks here and the cuts on my mat where I've used this. This is an Omni Grid mat. This is a very fine sandpaper. And if you watch my video, it'll show you how to do it. But what I like to use this for, I like to use this for marking half square triangles, or if I'm going to snowball a block. And the reason I like this so much is because this sandpaper holds this in place. Just holds it in place. Your fabric's not shifting around. It's easy to mark on there. And it just works great. And then this is just a nice small cutting triangle if I just need to, trim off corners or dog ears. I really, really like both of these mats, and I use them all the time. In fact, I actually have 3 of these here. I know, but I use them all. I just use these all the time. I love, love, love them. And again, I'll put a link to the video on how to make these in the description below. I absolutely love both of these mats, and these are kind of staples in my quilt room and when I go to quilt retreats. Both of these will go with me to the quilt retreat. If you've made one of these, or if you use either of these products, please tell me how you like it in the comments below. Share any tips you might have. And until next time, have fun quilting.